Hello everybody, here I am making my splits again. I am trying to get I know some people say these are long enough, but I don't like them. I like them when they're this long, right here, or the ones that are this long. See the root system coming. And then these are my sweet potatoes. So I take a sweet potato and I stick these in there, fill the water up until they touch the sticks. You got root system down here, but these are the ones that are the ones. But wait till these get longer. You can even see root system starting right there. And this is getting a little bit of roots, but you need roots that are like here. Take this one out. It's a great demonstration. See how the roots are? Okay, that one's getting ready to be planted in dirt. This one's almost ready. It's got like two slits on it, but if I can, oh boy, don't take that one. I'll just pull both of them out. And that one has a little baby slit hanging off of it. See it? Right there. So I'll leave them in the water for another day, and then I'll put them in soil. And I can start putting these in the ground soon, but I'm not there yet, but we're getting there. But is this how you do yours? I'd like to know. Do you actually make your own sweet potato slits, or do you go to the store and just buy them? It's up to you. It's whatever you want to do. I like it this way the best because you can see like new growth coming out, and you can make your own, and then they grow better, I think. This is the orange sweet potato. Anyway, have a blessed day. Like the video and share the video, and like to hear your ideas and comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.